and so say all of us, and so say all of us.
I've never had so many journalists. Well, I can see who is the world leader. And, he has made a great contribution to art, to music, and very happy that he is in our country.
It is my pleasure. It is my honor to be here in South Africa. I love you people very much. I've had the time of my life here. I've had so much fun. I hate to leave. Looking for a home here to buy, because I would love to spend the rest of my life here. And we are definitely coming in January. And this is a wonderful, lovely man, and I love Nelson Mandela very much. And thank you for all your hospitality and all your love. Thank you very much.
We are the champions. We're going to be here.
He has certainly been my inspiration to want to do something before the end of the century, to undertake what I call an adventure of humanity before the birth of the millennium. I love this man very much, and I love Africa. I shall be undertaking 2 concerts in June, one in Seoul in the Republic of Korea, and one in Munich. And I shall be inviting some of my friends to help me during the shows by performing at either one or both of the venues.
Good. Well, thank you much. Thank you very much. We don't know how much you've honored us. And I hardly have such important people as yourself in this place. And now that you have been here, I feel that this is a real honor indeed. Thank you.
Thank you.
And so say all of us, and so say all of us,
Good.
and so say all of us,
Another one.
believe the Lord.